Alright, this is Katelyn Liu and I'll be walking you through the 6th grade worksheets for lesson 6. So the first worksheet that you should have gone says extra practice and review. It says add or subtract as directed and to show your work. So we'll go through a few of these problems. Number 1 says 395.3 and you want to add 91. Make sure you line up the decimal points. 486.3. Can also do number 3, 0.038, and you want to add the points right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and an 8. So you go like this, and then you add it all together, and you get 0.038008. To a subtraction problem. This one, 0.83. Want to move the point here, and you have 3 zeros here, and a 602. Add the zeros up top, and you subtract 8, 9, 3, 2, 8, 0. So your final answer is 0.082398. Number 6 through 8 is multiplication. Let's do number 6 over here. For multiplication, you do not need to line up the decimal points. The decimal points you will figure out at the end. So 40. Actually, don't put the numbers on top. Okay, so I multiplied it all out, and I have one decimal point right here, so you move it right here. So the answer is, I believe it's 1,653,151. Comma there, comma there. Okay, moving on to the second page. We have show your work as needed for evaluating each expression. So our expression here that we're given is 2b, and we're given that 2b is equal to 495.2, and so we can do that over here. Which this would be our answer. Then we can do like simpler ones. Like number 2 is 7 plus h, and h is equal to 78.1, and then this would just give us 85.1. This last one down here, or so subtraction one, 858.3 minus u, which is 238.03026, 620.3. So the second half of this page is operation application, where you just have to write a word problem that uses whatever it gives you. So I'm just going to do one of them. The first one can be H is the number of hockey players on a team. If there are 5 hockey players on a team, so H is equal to 5, and there are 7 teams, then how many players are there? And you do 5 times 7, and you get 35. But make sure to write out your whole word problem. Okay, so page 3 is word problems. let's see, number 1 says Bobby has a pizza that is cut into 8 slices. You can draw that out. Like that. We're looking for 50% of the pizza. Now, usually 50% is just half. And so you just take this much and you can count 4. If you want to do it mathematically, you can do 8 times 0.5, and that'll give you 40, but then you have 1 decimal point here, and you add it there, which would also be 4. So, number 2, Pacific Narwhal football team has P amount of players. Each player owns 2 pairs of shoes. The whole team has a total of 80 shoes. How many players P are on the team? Is equal to 2P. You divide by 2 on each side to isolate the variable, and you get 40. Okay, last page is still word problems. So let's do number 6. Sam wants to buy a pack of markers. If each pack of markers has 5 markers and each marker costs $1.50, how much would 3 packs of markers cost? So we're looking for 3 packs. Each marker costs $1.50. So in 3 packs, okay, each pack has 5. So 3 packs with 5 each gives us 15 markers. And each marker is $1.50, so we put $1.50 multiplied by 15, which would get us $22.50.